Here we're exploring data in the Bubble workbench, where we're examining a network of tokens extracted from texts in our dataset. This helps us find clusters of tokens that are potentially interesting, but in order to understand what a cluster is really about, we need to read the actual texts. This is what document scoring is for. First, make sure the documents you want to score are displayed in the table view. In this case, we have split articles into sentences, and it's the sentences we want to score. So we drag the sentence field to the table view to display it. By dragging the tokens of interest to the table view, we can score documents by the occurrence of these tokens. The more of the tokens a document contains, and the more times they are mentioned, the higher the score. The second scoring option, which is also available as a drop-zone, scores by similarity rather than occurrence. This means documents with high scores do not necessarily contain the dropped tokens, but can contain other tokens that are semantically similar.